So you want your energy to flow like this waterfall, don't you? In 2005, vitamin entrepreneurs created Celcius. So you're probably wondering, how does it work, right? Celcius has a fantastic formula. They call it the Meta Plus formula, which includes green tea with EGCG, ginger, and guarana seed. It turns on thermogenesis, a process that boosts your metabolic rate. So you'll be flowing like this waterfall. Drinking Celcius prior to fitness activities has been proven to energize and accelerate your metabolism, burn body fat and calories. Yes, Celcius provides essential energy so that you can stay fit and so that your energy flows like this waterfall. I will leave a link in my comment section. Make sure you get some Celcius. I'm gonna have me some right now. Whoa, I feel the energy. So refreshing. I feel like doing hills. I feel like doing hills. That's the type of energy that you want, that you need to purchase and invest. Celcius. Mighty Mouse Melendez out.